Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to look at the procedure of changing the sheet from side to side. So at these stations there's a patient in bed with a soiled bottom sheet which needs to be changed. Instruction: change the bottom sheet from side to side. Move to the next station when the bells rings. The procedure: you have to create report and explain the procedure today. Patient, usually anxiety and then cooperation, then provide privacy for comfort of the patient, then place the two chairs at the foot of the bed, then gently loosen the beddings off the patient's bed with help of assistant. Remove the bed covers and blanket and place them on the chair at the foot of the bed. This one will do it one by one. Then remove the pillows and place them on the chairs. Gently position the patient for turning. Place one hand over the chest and place one leg over the other. Gently roll the patient to the side. Roll the dirty linen towards the patient. Then roll the clean linen and then the draw Macintosh and draw sheet from one side to the other towards the patient and completely make the side. Turn the patient back on the other side and gently remove the dirty linen. This one is attendant that will remove the dirty linen. For you will now hold the patient. Meanwhile, you will be talking to the patient. Strengthen and remake the bed. Leave the patient comfortably and thank the patient.